Hello, in this video I'll show you how to diagnose a problem with the heater blower motor not working on a Volkswagen Golf 4. The heater blower motor along with the resistor are located just behind the glove box, so we need to remove the glove box first. The glove box is held by a couple of screws that we need to remove, and the glove box just goes down. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that we have removed the glove box, you have access to the heater blower motor and the resistor. This is the heater blower motor right there with a connector that has two wires on it, and the thing in red is the heater blower motor resistor. We have to test if there is a problem with the heater blower motor itself or the resistor, or maybe a few. So first we'll turn the ignition on and start the heater, and then we get a power probe and check the two wires, what if they have power or ground or what it is. So we can see the black wire has power and the brown wire has Next we're going to decrease the fan speed and then increase it again to see what happens to the ground. First to turn the heater off to see what shows on the ground wire, and then we'll start increasing the speed a little bit. The resistor controls the heater blower motor by its ground, so when we turn off the heater and when we start turning it on, we'll see this thing happening. The light will go from very green to very little green and then turn back, depends on which speed we make the heater blower motor go. Since we have changing green light on the power probe, that means the resistor is working. So next thing we'll check, just in case, is we'll give the heater blower motor direct power to see if it starts running, but 100% the problem is with the heater blower. So we're giving the heater blower motor direct power and ground to start running, but it's not running at all. That means there is a problem with the heater blower motor and it needs to be replaced. We know that the resistor is okay because when we measured the ground with the power probe, we saw different green light coming on every time we change the speed of the heater blower motor from the AC control module. So now we'll change the heater blower motor. There's two screws on the bottom that we need to remove, and now the heater blower motor is gonna go down. And this is the new heater blower motor. Now we're gonna connect the connector just to check if everything is working fine, and then we'll put on the new heater blower motor. We'll turn the ignition on and turn the fan speed up so that we can see if the heater blower motor will start working. Yes, it's working. That means everything is diagnosed right. So next we'll just put the new heater blower motor and assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.